Hello everyone, this is Mia from Enbon. Today I will introduce the customizable shape LED display screen. Let's take a look together. This is interactive image vertical screen. This unique interactive method can bring a different experience to your audience. Then look at the wall on the left where there is the display screen with the OD logo. This unique shape is both beautiful and can convey the bright image. Looking right into the center, there is this side screen placed here. It can present different images from all ages, and the display in fact is really three-dimensional and rich. Now let's go into the immersive screen. Standing inside the picture all around us are surrounding us, as if we are in a brand new world with a full sense of immersion. Looking over here, there is a jellyfish-shaped screen which is very eye-catching. Next is the inner display hemisphere where this is hemispherical display screen has a unique sense of wrapping. When viewed from the inside and the display effect is unique. Finally, look up at the top. There are Rubik's cube-shaped and ring-shaped display screen. Their designs are not only creative in shape, but also can bring people a new visual experience in display content. Today I introduce our exhibition hall of special shape LED display, each with its own features. If you have a custom LED display, please feel free to contact us.